I'm just pretending to leave Lansdowne Station. Well, I guess I actually did, but I didn't get here via the subway. I walked over here recording a video from Dundas West Station through the Junction Triangle. And just up ahead is the intersection of Bloor and Lansdowne. And hey there, today is Saturday, July 18th, 2026. It is 4:27 p.m. The temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius. And fortunately, we've got decent air quality right now. This morning, we were ranked the second worst in the world amongst major cities. New York City took the crown this time. And that might have thrown plans for this street festival in doubt. It's also threatening to thunderstorm. Well, the weather. You get the idea. But we're going to be walking through the Big on Bloor Festival, one of 6 festivals taking place. And they've got this garbage truck here sealing the street off. It's certainly an effective barrier. I overheard one guy complaining to the cops saying this is terrible. But it may be terrible, but it's certainly going to be effective. So this is a short festival. It runs just between Lansdowne and Dufferin. It's running today and tomorrow. Today noon to midnight, and tomorrow noon till 9 p.m. A lot of local vendors and artisans will be selling stuff. It began, I think, in 2007. And what kind of separates it from a lot of the other street festivals is the emphasis on public art and the actual Bloordale community. It's not just the same vendors you see at every other festival. There's someone making some art happen. Button making workshop. South Asian Women's Center. Popsicles. There's a number of other festivals taking place today. There's the Taste of Vietnam at Nathan Phillips Square. There's the Beaches Jazz Festival. There's an Indonesian food festival at Dundas Square. Ceremony, a vibrant, immersive public art experience that reimagines multicultural wedding traditions as a metaphor for collective celebration, connection, and cultural pride. I was about to say, it looks like there's going to be a wedding. Oh, neat barbershop tucked in there. There's also the Summer Live Music Festival at Trillium Park. But to be honest with you, I'm a bit festivaled out. So this will be the last one for quite a while. I won't be going to any of the other ones this weekend. And there was a very unfortunate incident last week at the Salsa on St. Clair Festival. I was fortunate enough to take in the festival before it got shut down. But since this one's quite different, I was kind of in the mood to come check it out. Pole dancing, all levels. That's certainly a skill I do not have.
What's your name? I'm like,
Face painting. You have to wonder, with all the bad air quality we've had lately and what happened last week and the threatening rain, if that's made a huge impact on the amount of people that would be out. Fresh lemonade, $5. Vietnamese coffee, $5. Those pretzels look pretty damn good though. There's a stage. It's 4:30. There's no event there till 5 p.m. This neighborhood has an interesting blend of Portuguese, Caribbean, South Asian, Latin American, and Southeast Asian influences, which kind of describes Toronto in a nutshell. Poetry writing. Meow and grow. There's definitely going to be some music cut out of this. So if you're wondering where the music went, the YouTube copyright gods laid in. It's a gentleman's club there on the right. Sausage $8, hot dog $6. Busy enough, I don't really have to hoist the camera way up like I have in prior festivals. Duffy's Tavern. I think this is where I'd want to be. Grab a table, a cold beer. In fact, it was this festival a few years ago. I was recording and I took a break to sit down at one of these places and have a beer. Wanted to come back here for a second and check out that performance. Got a DJ set up over there. Hawaiian barbecue. further west I go, the busier it gets.
For a little while due to a fire or something. Do you guys know what's going on in there? Yeah, nobody knows. Anyways, they had a rule written on a piece of paper at the entrance that they were very good at enforcing. What was the rule? Was it no bags? Yes, it was no bags.
Wow. I think that quiz show has been there every year for the past several years. Little interactive art area. Guyanese kitchen. Not sure how this is going to be later tonight, but it's certainly pretty laid back and relatively enjoyable right now. Vintage posters. The Burdock, that's where I had a drink. And I think last year I bought one of these donuts from Marry Me Mochi. That place pops up at a lot of different festivals.
Doing a performance here in about 10 minutes.
All right. Toronto Clown Riot doing a performance in 10 minutes. Toronto Horror Art Market. Scream 2. They got Legally Blonde on VHS.
So I didn't do any work on it to get the
There's a look west. This festival is going to end very soon. Super Wonder Gallery. Foosball. Hey, bubbly pop.
You want a bubbly? Not particular. What is it?
Well, that is awesome. Thank you, fine folks at Bubbly. Fresh pops. 100% natural. The future of rental living is here. I don't know about that. trying to dangle aeroplan points. Wouldn't be a Toronto festival without churros, would it?
Oh, you look so cute. Oh yeah.
Well, they got a garbage truck on one end.
Stop like Ford to tackle the TTC.
What kind of? Oh, sure.
We're inside like Ford. He passed a bill.
Who isn't?
He can raise fares. He can go cut bus routes. We're trying to stop it. There's a position on the QR code there.
Thank you. Oh, how's it going? You going live?
Yeah, 5 o'clock.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
I thought I would have seen you down at the statue. I mean,
Where?
the Joe Carter.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, out there.
I'm so glad they got rid of Ted Rogers and Joe Carter, Dave Steeb.
Yeah,
Like, put an icon there.
yeah. It was a nice statue. I have some pictures.
Let me just wrap my video up, and I'll come. I'm like got 1 minute left.
Oh, okay.
All right.
man.
All right, good. I believe that is Toronto Walker. Friendly guy. But on that note, that is all from the Big on Bloor Festival. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I might be going live right now. You could probably find that on the channel. Certainly a very short ass video. And by the time you're seeing this, I am probably in Tokyo or Osaka. So if you want to support what I do, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership down in the description. I've got an Instagram account at Johnny Strides, and there is a super thanks button down below if you wish to say thanks that way. From the Big on Bloor Festival, just northwest of downtown Toronto. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Yoink.